This July, spot Venus and Mars very low in the west. The Big Dipper and Summer Triangle shine high up, and a full moon on July 3rd. On July 4th, of course, we have fireworks. And a nice moonrise after the show. The stars were once seen as distant fires, but fire is a chemical reaction, and the stars make their light by nuclear fusion. When they run out of fuel, the massive stars explode as a supernova. This gargantuan blast is immensely more powerful than our fireworks shows back on Earth. Have a blast in the sky this July.